Hi everyone, it's Miss Brandon from the Benjamin branch of the Greensboro Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami star book. This little book opens up into a beautiful little origami star. And it's not just a decorative book, it also has pages that you can write in, or you can put your art in. You can add little photographs, do whatever you want with all these blank spaces. This book, if you learn how to make this book, you'll also learn how to make this book, which is called a squash book. It squashes all kinds of different ways. This way, and it squashes up. That's why it's called the squash book. So I'm going to show you how, with the same folds, just different ways of putting it together, you can make either an origami star book or an origami squash book. The basis for both books is this. Fold your square paper in half one way. Then, with the same side facing up, fold it in half a second way. Next, you're going to flip it over so the different side is facing up, and you're going to fold it in half diagonally. After you fold it in half diagonally, you're going to flip it back over to the original side, push the middle, and it'll pop up and fold this way. This is the basis for each page of the book, and I call this part the mouth part. So now I've got 3 folds that are just like that, and I'm going to make a 4th one. It's going to look just like the others, with the white facing up first and the gray side facing out. And when I assemble it, I'm going to be gluing all of the pages I've made together, one on top of the other, all of them with the mouth facing the same way. All right, now I have 4 pieces, the mouth's there. I'm going to be using a glue stick. You can also use double-sided tape. And I'm going to double check and make sure they're facing the same way before layering it on top. And then show you what's been made. There it is. It's the origami star book. Now for the origami squash book, I'm going to use 3 pieces. 2 have already been made, and they were made the exact same. And this 3rd one is going to be made the exact opposite, with the white on the outside and the purple on the inside. And when I assemble it, I'm going to be doing one facing one way, the other facing the other way, and then the 3rd facing the way the first one was. So we're going to be alternating the colors and the directions that the mouth is facing. And when you glue 3 of them together that way, I'll show you what happens. You get a squash book. Now, to create covers for your books, you need 2 pieces of cardboard or tagboard or even cardstock that you make just slightly larger than the size of your book. You tape a string to it. For the star book, you want to tape it diagonally, and the part that you tie is going to be oriented to where the mouth is. And do the tape the tie down first, adhere to one side of the book, then adhere to the second side of the book, matching up the covers, and there you have it. Thanks for joining me this afternoon, and don't forget, the Greensboro Public Library is open online all day, every day, with downloadable ebooks, audiobooks, movies, music, and more. Thank you.